Welcome back to the channel. I remain your bestie Oluwatoyin, and on this channel we talk on how to import from China, how to start a successful business by importing goods from China. And today we'll be talking on how to import electrical appliances and kitchen utensils from China. Now, a lot of people have been asking me to do this video about electrical appliances, like to talk about electrics, to talk about machines, things like that. And that is what I'm going to be talking about today. Some people buy from suppliers in their country, but not a lot of people actually start bringing these things into Nigeria. Some people think it's better to buy from people around you than to start importing it because they believe it is a whole lot of stress and you use a whole lot of money to bring these things into Nigeria. Which is actually true, to be honest, is actually true. If you do it strategically, you are not going to lose money. Instead, you are going to gain money. This particular one is tricky because one, electrical appliances are mostly heavy in weight. They are mostly heavy. Now you see, if you want, let's say you want to bring in a fridge can weigh as high as 50 kg, even more than. Now, one thing you need to know when importing these things from China is that you do not need to import these things with air shipping. Calculation of air shipping is with weight, and if you are going to use air shipping to import your heavy duty items like your electrical appliances, you are going to be spending a lot of money. So you need to use sea shipping. Sea shipping uses the height and size to calculate, but for air shipping they use weight. So if you mistakenly use air shipping to bring in your electrical appliances, something very heavy, not something like cup, plates, spoons, those ones are still lightweighted. You can actually use air shipping for that. If you are bringing something like that, no problem. Now, if you are using fridge, things like that, you need to use sea shipping. The only disadvantage in sea shipping is that it comes in 3 months, but air shipping will come in a week plus. So make use of sea shipping if you want to buy something like that from China. Another thing you should look at is the plugs. There are different types of plugs, and each country uses different kinds of plugs. We have A, type I think type C, type I, and type G. In Nigeria we use type G. So without wasting time, let me show you how you can source for these electrical appliances or kitchen utensils by yourself. Now for this, we are going to be making use of 1688. Go over to your 1688. Now go to your search bar and search for an electrical equipment you are looking for. Let's say we are searching for fridge. I will just come here and just say fridge. If you have any brand you want to talk about, probably Hisense, LG, something, you can type it, but let's just use fridge for an example. Good. These are different types of fridge. This is a cap fridge, mid-day cross-door fridge, in-stock incubator case. Okay, I will just tap on this and scroll down. Now, when you scroll down, you see these product attributes. You want to look at it. Now, I'm going to tap on this arrow. The product. Now, look at this product attributes. Look at the voltage. It says 220 volts, which is actually good. Nigerians can you as a Nigerian can actually use it. The net weight kg 10.5 kg. That is the net weight, not the total weight, the net weight. Look at all the things, frequency, fixed frequency. Look at everything. If you have any question else you want to ask, you can chat to the supplier. Now it says product size 34 times 405 times. So if you are using package size, product weight 12 kg, product weight is 12 kg, but the net weight you can see is 10.5. Oh, okay. There are other things here. You can see it here. Now, if you have any question, you can actually chat up the supplier. If you want to use sea shipping, you can see it said package size 395 times. So sea shipping, you use this to calculate your sea shipping. If you want to use air shipping, it says the product weight is 12 kg. You can see there, and the net weight is 10.5. So you are going to use the product weight to calculate your air shipping. And the package size, the product size means the fridge itself, that is the size. But the package size mean when they package it, like after they finish putting in all the boxes, every foam, there are some foam things they are going to put in the fridge to avoid breakage or to avoid scratch. After they finish doing that, this is the size you are going to get. So look at other things, additional features, look at every single thing, double door type, and cool. Yeah, that is it. So if you have any question, if you have any other thing you want to ask, make sure you chat the supplier up. But you can see these are the informations you get from, like, when getting an electrical equipment. You can see it's different from when you're getting clothes and things like that. Good. Now, where is it? This is the fridge. It's actually not a big one. So let's check out another one. Let's check out let's check this car fridge out. Okay, this is a car fridge. You scroll down to the product attributes. This is what you find. Type is a semiconductor car fridge. Brand, applicable models, the weight 2.1 kg. Okay, materials, the volume 10 liters. Power supply voltage, this is actually very important. 12 volts for car and 220 volts for home. Power 651 watts. The maximum heating temperature, like these are the things you are to look at. The watts, the frequency, voltage, things like that are important things to look at when getting any kind of electrical equipment. Now let's go to another one. Okay, let's go for this. Again, you scroll down to the product attributes. You tap on it, and these are important things to look at. They said the brand is Konka, the model, that's the model, the origin, released in, okay, different things, height, freezing capacity 8 kg, product size, package size, the product weight 73 kg. These are things to look at when getting an electrical appliance. Okay, let's not look at fridge alone. Let's look at something else. Let's say sandwich maker, which is what we know as toaster. Yeah, a toasting machine. You can see it. So I'm going to go for this. Scroll down, you can see European regulation, cross-border, blah blah blah, breakfast sandwich machine. We scroll down, and the product attributes. The product, it says a toaster oven. Okay, the item number, the model, the brand itself, the function, eating, baking, fried eggs, rated voltage 220 to 240 volts. The frequency is 50 to 60 hertz. The power is 1200 watts. Rated power, okay. The product size 34 times 24 times 7 centimeter. The weight 2.3 kg. It is fully automated. Control mode, push button type 1. You can see different informations about this. So this is how to actually get any kind of electrical equipment. Now, if you want to ask any question from the supplier, you tap on chat and you just start chatting with the supplier. You understand? You just start chatting up with the supplier. If there's anything you want to ask, if there's any information you need, you just start chatting with the supplier. If you are interested in anyone, you just tap on place an order and you order your item. You can either pay yourself or you use your agent. Some shipping companies also render procurement services that will actually make payment for you, or you pay yourself, or you can look for a private procurement agent to actually make payment for you. So once you are interested, make payments and you bring it into Nigeria. So with all the information, if you are using air shipping, you look at the weight and you calculate your air shipping. If you are using sea shipping, you look at the package size or the package size to actually calculate your sea shipping amount. So that is how you buy things from. That's how you buy electrical equipment or electrical appliances or home appliances from China down to Nigeria.